My name is Cameron Isis, and welcome to this edition of Lubecore's Technical Bulletin. In today's video, I will discuss the mechanic-friendly features integrated into the standard Lubecore automated lubrication system. We believe that mechanics are the most important part of a successful preventative maintenance program for any equipment owner. This is why all of our automated lubrication systems have been designed with the mechanic in mind. We provide a quality and simple system that is easy to work with for the trained mechanic. In this video, I will discuss a few innovative features that have been incorporated into the Lubecore standard automated lubrication system, or ALS, that will save you time and money. At Lubecore, we believe in accountability. The Lubecore Mark II timer, part of our standard system, records the time and date of each lubrication failure. By connecting your timer to a CLS dongle software program, you can view the time and date of each of these failures. When mechanics are performing their regularly scheduled equipment maintenance, automated lubrication system performance can be verified by the push of a button. This concept is called management by exception. That is, if nothing is going wrong, there will never be any notifications. The next mechanic-friendly feature that I am going to cover is the automatic low-level switch. An automated lubrication system with no grease in the reservoir is an automatic non-greaser. While this sounds a bit redundant, it is a common problem that our technical support staff encounter in the field. The automatic low-level switch, available as part of the Lubecore standard system, provides numerous benefits for the owners, operators, and mechanics associated with a piece of equipment. The low-level switch stops the pump from cycling without grease in the reservoir. A 15-second audible alarm accompanied by a flashing LED will notify the operator that it is time to fill the reservoir. Because the low-level switch stops the pump from cycling without grease, air is never introduced into the system. This eliminates the time-consuming process of bleeding the pump and mainline, thus a mechanic-friendly feature. The last benefit of the automatic low-level shutoff brings us back to accountability, mentioned earlier. The low-level switch, in unison with the timer, records by time and date when the low level was reached and how long the pump was empty. Recording this information keeps both operators and mechanics accountable for their actions. The next feature that I am going to discuss is the LED on the solenoid. The purpose of the LED is to signify that there is power going into the solenoid. This eliminates the need for a mechanic to disconnect the connectors going into the solenoid or to prong holes into wires with a test light. Pronging holes into wires and cables potentially creates a place where water can cause corrosion and technical failures in the future. This simple feature assures system continuity and saves you time and money. The next mechanic-friendly feature is also incorporated into the solenoid. The manual override lever on the back of the solenoid allows for a quick cycle of the system without having to climb into the cab and cycle the system using the timer. I will now initiate a manual override of the system. The manual override lever is this small red lever on the back of the solenoid. After you have finished your test cycle, ensure that the solenoid override lever has been returned to its original or vertical position. Every wiring harness supplied is a huge time saver. The switch initiates. The green LED will light up and then turn off once grease pressure has been reached. This tells the mechanic or operator that the pump is cycling, there are no leaks in the system, and that the pressure switch is operating correctly. Third, during normal system seconds, after the reservoir has been emptied or after the equipment has been resting for a while, as they confirm that the ALS is still performing. The remote in-dash test switch and LED feature tells a big story and is a valuable tool for both equipment operators and mechanics. The next mechanic-friendly feature of the standard Lubecore ALS is the Breakproof Reservoir. The reservoir is made of transparent, indestructible Macrolon plastic. Often the pump will be installed in a location where it is susceptible to rocks and other debris from the road. Because the Lubecore reservoir is break-proof and transparent, it requires no maintenance and allows the mechanic to do a quick visual check of grease level. Here on the Lubecore testing grounds, we have devised this demonstration to show how durable the break-proof reservoir glass really is. After our durability test, you can see that the shotgun pellets did not pierce the reservoir glass. If a rock were to be thrown from another tractor-trailer on the highway and hit the reservoir glass of your automated lubrication system, it is clear that this would not be a problem. We've covered quite a few mechanic-friendly features so far, but stick with me, we've still got a couple more. Next, I will discuss the grease pressure switch. Grease pressure is measured by this switch near the end of each lubrication cycle. If there is a low pressure situation during the cycle, there will be an audible alarm, and the error is recorded in the timer's memory for later retrieval, just like with low level alarms. The last feature we will be covering today is the stainless steel follower plate. The follower plate gives a clear visual indication of the level of grease in the reservoir. By keeping consistent pressure on the grease, it prevents funneling. This means you maximize the time between filling the reservoir. The follower plate has a silicone seal around it which keeps oxygen and moisture out of the grease in extreme heat and cold. Because the follower plate is made out of stainless steel, it is a maintenance-free item. This enhances the reliability and performance of your Lubecore system. Thank you for joining us today. As you have seen, the standard Lubecore automated lubrication system has been designed to assist the well-trained mechanic while saving owners time and money. These features have been engineered into the system based on over 20 years of in-field experience and working with end users and fleets. We here at Lubecore continue to strive to be the next generation in automated lubrication systems, and the best way to do this is by addressing our customers' needs. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us. We want to know how to improve. Again, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to the Lubecore YouTube channel as there are more videos in the works. Enjoy your day.